What is up, my crafty friends? Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Carrie, and whether it's your first visit or your returning subscriber, I want to say welcome, my friend. I've been a super busy mama trying to get my yard all ready for spring, but y'all, I've also been busy designing our tiered tray box for the month of April. I know you cannot wait to see what I've got planned for us for the month of April, but y'all, before we get started, I need to say a big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. This super cool online learning community has so many classes to choose from, whether you're looking for drawing classes or painting classes or even photography classes. Y'all, there are absolutely anything that you want to learn can be found at Skillshare. They even have gardening classes, and I just finished taking this great class from Geraldine Lavin called Gardening 101. In this class, Geraldine walks you through so many great things, whether you're just starting to garden or you've been gardening for a while. Geraldine taught me so many great things I did not know about, such as propagation. I've never tried to divide anything, but look at me go. I just divided my ferns in my yard, and they look so great. She also taught me the difference between annuals, biannuals, perennials, and self-sowing annuals. So if you're interested in taking this awesome class just like me or any of the other classes Skillshare has to offer, you're in luck because the first 1,000 people to use the link below is going to get a free 1-month trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. Are you ready to see what I've got planned for us for April? Let's hop onto our workspace and let's get started. Okay, y'all, here is our box for April. It is so stinking cute. It's all about flowers and spring and butterflies and just pure joy and happiness. I love spring. It is definitely my favorite season of the year. We are not going to paint our pieces on camera today because, as you can probably tell, I've injured my wrist when I was doing all of my yard work outside, and I'm not able to paint this. I'm going to have to actually get my daughter to help me paint it so I can get everything done. So we're not going to do that today. I'm just simply going to unbox it and show you everything that's going to be included for this month. As usual, we're going to get our stands for all of our signs. You've got big stands for your big signs, little stands for all of your little signs. You're going to get a little cute garland here. This month we're going to have flowers. I'm also including the jute twine to put your garland together. And speaking of jute twine, we're going to make a jute twine tassel. Try to say that 10 times fast. And that tassel charm for this month is going to be this cute little bee. So adorable. The main sign for our April box is going to be April showers bring May flowers. This is so adorable. I have included several little scatter pieces so you can change out if you want to put a butterfly here. I've even included some other butterflies. You've got flowers, so it is totally up to you if you want to add some of these little scatter pieces to your main sign. Now, let's take a look at our smaller signs now. So we've got our little watering can here. We've got some tulips and also some really pretty flowers. This is going to be a double layer sign. This bottom layer is actually slightly bigger, and that's so that you can paint this black and you'll have a nice outline. Once you get this painted, you'll be able to see that outline. It's not much bigger, it's just slightly bigger. Also included for a double layer sign is going to be our little rain boots here with our little bunny booty sticking out with some carrots. Isn't that cute? And again, this one is slightly larger as well. I also included a Hello Spring sign. When you get your Hello Spring sign, you're going to also notice that it's going to come shipped with this outline around it. That's really good for helping you to paint your sign. It's also good for helping you line it up if you're worried about getting it super straight. So when you're done painting, you can just discard this piece. You're also going to get a double layer butterfly. My thought for this is to paint the top layer totally black. Then if you want to go in and paint this shades of orange for monarch butterfly, or you can paint it shades of turquoise, which is probably what I'm going to do, as you can probably guess, then that would be really pretty as well. And y'all, last but not least, we've got bloom where you are planted. And I think this is so stinking cute. I've included a set of little gardening tools if you want to put those on your sign. And I think that is probably my favorite sign this month, because you definitely, to grow, you have to bloom where you are planted. When you get your box in the mail, you're actually going to get 2 sets of the little tools, because I did go back at the very last minute and add in another set in case you wanted to use those on some other signs, because I think they are so stinking cute. So when you get your box, you will have an extra set of your little gardening tools, because they are just too adorable. I've also included several smaller flower pots this month, just as little filler pieces. We've got a cute little bee here that's going to be another filler piece. And y'all, think about layering your signs. So you could definitely come and layer in your bee over the top of your little sign here. You could also put your bee behind your watering can. So just think about this as your own personal paper doll. I think the bee would also be cute on our bigger sign here. I just love to layer our pieces. Okay, y'all, that is our box for this month. What do you think about it? Do you love all the bees? Do you love the flowers? What do you think about our big sign? Which sign is your favorite for this month? I'll also have the link so that you can order your box down in the description box below. Y'all, I can't wait to see how you paint your tier tray boxes for the month of April. I know I really hated not being able to paint ours on camera for you today, but my wrist is in so much pain, and y'all, there's no way that I could have gotten through it. I'm going to get my daughter to help me paint mine so we can get it done, and I'm really excited to see how yours turns out. If you've got any questions, be sure to drop those down below. And if you want to grab your own tier tray box for April, I'll have that link down in the description box below. I've got to run for now, y'all. Until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.